18, 19, 19, 20. Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like that.
Like that. Oh, we're in the middle now. Okay. And then, what is this?
And her mom pick up to the car and said, Mommy, I don't want to go to the dentist.
Oh, she doesn't want to go to the dentist.
Mommy, who's this?
What's that? Who's that?
He's duck. That's my duck.
It's a ducky.
And a camel, a wolf, a rabbit.
Oh, yeah. And?
Giraffe.
Okay. Maybe that's Becky Beaver.
Becky Beaver.
And?
Tower Turtle.
Okay.
Pig.
And?
Bird.
And a bird. Okay. Why is she sad? Why Annie sad?
Mommy, who's this?
What's this? Why Annie sad?
Mommy, who's this?
I don't know. Maybe it's a squirrel.
What's a bear? That's right, a bear.
That's a bear. Okay. Why is she sad?
Because he don't want to go to the dentist.
Oh, she doesn't want to go to the dentist. Oh.
That's the bad manner.
What's bad manner? Okay. Where are they now?
Mommy, Annie alligator has too many teeth than lion.
Than lion. And?
I have too many teeth than hippo.
Hippo.
I
Okay.
have too many teeth than horsey.
Than horsey. Okay. Is she worried?
Yeah, he worried about going to home.
How about this? You see?
Mommy, I don't want to go to the dentist.
Oh, okay. What is she doing?
He's hiding in the plant. And he says, don't worry, we can take care of you.
Like that. Oh, galing ah. Okay. Okay. Oh, what are they doing now?
They're putting some toothpaste with a noisy toothbrush. And look, it's going bigger and bigger and bigger.
Oh, the teeth is getting bigger and bigger and bigger.
Look, it's not